Here we are going to learn multiplication and division of integers. So the property, first we are going to learn the rule, that multiplication and division rule. That is, in if both signs are positive, that case we will get the answer, that answer sign is positive. If both signs are in division, in both signs are positive, that case you will get the answer positive. Then if both signs are negative, then what is that one? Is answer is sign is positive. If both signs are negative, that case what is answer is positive. This case both signs are different, that is first sign is negative, second sign is positive, then that case answer is negative. Then this case, this both signs, that is first sign negative and second sign positive, that case what is answer? Negative. Here first sign positive and second sign negative, then that case what is answer? Negative. Then first sign positive and second sign negative, that case what is the answer? Negative. Okay, then that means you can note these two parts, because in this case, in multiplication, both multiplication and division case, if both signs are same, if both signs are same, that case we will get the answer positive. Here also the both signs are which one? Both signs are same, both signs are same, then what is the answer? Positive. Okay, then here in this case if both signs are different, that is you can check this red color part. In red color part case both signs are different, that case what is the answer? Negative. Here also if both signs are different, that case what is the answer? Negative. That means if first sign negative and second sign positive, first sign positive, second sign negative, both case we are getting which one? The answer is negative. That means the if the signs are the first part in both multiplication and division, if both signs are positive, that case what is the answer? Both signs are positive, what is the answer? Positive. Both signs are negative, what is the answer? Positive. That means if both signs are same, both signs are same, then what is the answer? That answer is positive. Okay, then this case if both multiplication and division, if both signs are different, that case the answer is negative. Okay, if both signs are different, then what is the answer? That answer sign is negative. Okay, then we can check some examples. Negative 3 times 5, only 5 means it is positive 5, that means both signs are different, then what is the answer? Is negative 15. So now we are going to check the addition division part. Okay, that is negative 15. We are going to take these two numbers, negative 15 and negative 3. Then negative 15, where we are going to check the result. What is negative 15 divided by negative 3? From this result we know what is negative 15 divided by negative 3. We know the answer, negative positive 5. Okay, then we can check this part by using which one? This area, that is the division rule. Okay, that is negative 15 divided by negative 3. You can check both number signs. Both number signs are same, then what is the answer sign? Is positive. Then 15 divided by 3, what is 15 divided by 3? Is 5, then what is the answer? Is positive 5. The same answer we got. Then next part, next question. So negative 3 times negative 5, you can check the both number signs. Both number signs are same, then what is the answer? Is positive, that is positive 15. Then multiplication case, I'm going to take these two numbers, positive 15 and negative 3. Okay, that is positive 15 divided by negative 3. From here we know what is the answer. What is the answer? We will get the answer, negative 5. We can check by using this rule. Okay, here positive 15, this only 15 means it's positive 15. Positive 15 divided by negative 3. We know both number signs are different. If both number signs are different, then what is the result? Result is negative. Then 15 divided by 3, what is 15 divided by 3? 5. That is, we will get the answer, negative 5. The same answer we got. Now we are going to check 3 numbers case. 3 numbers case, negative 2 times negative 3 times negative 5. Okay, this case I'm going to first multiply the first two numbers, that is these two numbers. Then negative 2 times negative 3, both number signs are same, then what is the answer? Is positive. You get the answer, positive 6 times the next number, negative 5. What is 6 times negative 5? We know the answer is negative 30. Okay, then next one, we can do this part in another way. We can note this one. What is the answer? Answer is negative 30. I'm going to do this one in another way, that is like this. I'm going to multiply negative 2 and negative 5 first. What is negative 2 times negative 5? We know both signs are same. The answer is positive. That means we will get 10. 10 times which one? The next number, negative 3. What is 10 times negative 3? You can check, this is positive and this one is negative. Both signs are different. Different case, what is the answer? Is negative. Okay, the sign of that answer is negative. That is, you will get the answer 10 times 3. What is 10 times 3? 30. That is, we will get the answer negative 30. We got the same answer. Because in multiplication, because multiplication satisfies both this commutative property and associative property. That means in multiplication case, any way you can take that two number, any way you can take the numbers, that is first number, last number, or first two numbers or last two numbers. That means any way you can take that product that multiplication. Okay, then all case you will get the same answer. Clear? Okay, then next 4 number case, that is negative 2 times 3 times negative 5 times 7. Okay, only 3 means is positive 3, only 7 means is positive 7. Okay, first I am going to take, here I am going to do this one, first two numbers and last two numbers, that way I am going to take here. Okay, then negative 2 times 3. What is negative 2 times 3? Here we know this both number signs are different, answer is negative. Here also both number signs are different, answer is negative. But if you will get negative 6, this answer of this part negative 6, the answer of this part is negative 35. Then we are going to multiply these two numbers. In that case, we know both number here it is, from here we will get the idea, because both number signs are same. Then same case, what is the result sign? Result sign is positive. Okay, then 6 times 35, 210. We will get the answer positive 210. We can do this one in another way, like this, negative 2 times negative 5. Okay, what is negative 2 times negative 5? We know answer is positive 10. Then 3 times 7 is 21. That is 10 times 21. We will get the answer 210. That means in multiplication satisfy commutative property and associative property. That's why we can, in multiplication, different way we can take that number. Okay, in all case we will get the same answer. That means in multiplication, that order is not important. Okay, that is first two number or last two number, first and last, any way you can take that numbers. Okay, all case you will get the same answer. The next, distributive law of multiplication over addition is the number negative 3. Here the operation, here you can check, here there is no operation, here the operation, here in this case what is the operation? Here no operation means that operation is multiplication. Okay, that is, this read it as like this, negative 3 times negative 8 plus negative 12 is equal to negative 3 times negative 8 plus negative 3 times negative 12. Then I'm going to explain this part. Okay, that is, first one is negative 3 times negative 8. This is this part. You can check this one, negative 3 times negative 8, that is this part. Okay, then here what is the operation? Here operation is addition, the same operation right here. That is, here the operation is addition, same operation right here. Okay, then multiply which two numbers? Negative 3 times negative 12, like this, multiply, that is negative 3 times negative 12, and write it here, negative 3 times negative 12. That is this property. This, what is the name of this property? Distributive law of multiplication over addition. Here you can check, here the operation is multiplication over which operation? Addition. Then in that case, first my negative 3 times negative 8, that is this part. Then write the operation. What is the operation? Addition. Then next, negative 3 times which one? The next number, negative 12, that is this part. We are going to verify this result here. Okay, then first we can take the left hand side part. Which part is the left hand side part? This part is the left hand side part. Okay, this part is right hand side part. First we can take left hand side part, that is LHS. Okay, that is negative 3 times negative 8 plus negative 12. Here we are going to apply BODMAS rule. First, what is BODMAS rule? That is, first, what is B represent in BODMAS? That is, B represent bracket. Okay, that means that rule, according to that rule, first we have to do which operation? That the operation inside the bracket. That means we have to do here negative 8 plus negative 12. What is negative 8 plus negative 12? You get the answer, negative 20. That is negative 3 times negative 20. What is negative 3 times negative 20? You will get the answer, positive 60. Okay, the next one is this part, right hand side part we can take, that is RHS. Okay, right hand side part, negative 3 times negative 8 plus negative 3 times negative 12. Okay, here also we are going to use which rule? The BODMAS rule. In BODMAS rule, first to do which operation? Multiplication. After that, do the operation addition. Okay, that means in multiplication here negative 3 times negative 8. What is negative 3 times negative 8? We know the answer 24. What is the negative 3 times negative 12? Okay, first to do this multiplication part. That is both here there are two multiplication part. Do that multiplication part first. After that do the addition part. Okay, that is negative 3 times negative 8 is positive 24. The negative 3 times negative 12 is positive 36. Okay, that is 24 plus 36. What is answer? 60. In both cases, we got the same answer. That means that which one is multiplication distributive law of, we verified the result, which one the distributive law of multiplication over addition. Thank you.